The aftermath of a fire outbreak can be catastrophic, often resulting in the loss of property and, tragically, sometimes lives. On August 16, 2024, 4 families in Busumbala, West Coast region, experienced this devastation firsthand when a fire engulfed their compound, leaving them homeless and without any belongings. These families were residing as tenants in a shared compound in Busumbala. When the fire erupted, it swiftly consumed everything they owned, leaving them with nothing. These displaced families are being sheltered by their neighbors while they seek a more permanent solution. Upon receiving this report, Kerfado visited the scene to assess the extent of the damage. Ibrahima Sawane, one of the fire victims, recounted to Kerfado the moment he discovered the fire and his desperate attempts to contain it.
I called around 11:43 my phone. So, I telephone landi. Na dinu be chapiri mbulo kono after sinota be larin jang sofa ngala ni wokan ndefo be sirin left pour que na tita ka min after ngamo the next house muso be jana di muso in burba funde tan bando de be wurkan kana na bun kono jang Ibrahima ma ko dimba biriyo foto defana rostam fundita wara na walo be na jifo kono rostam fundita do ko be dunne la bun kono pour ka jibe rek man dunno because atari dimba e flow be muta kapito be malakan rido fa be malakan so man dunno so nata murta na dum na wayaf ndi dun be kuro la koma ko na wayaf ko jionari ufana ni jisu yilo na kay dimba jionari woni jisu yilo na ta dinna ufana ta lota ba jibe kan ngari do sekande ngajio bon ka gana sparkle so na wayaf be mora be jionari kan at the end of the day say jionata bang sisio after everywhere catch off phone call CCO. So below that on say neighbors will finance start to come. After the ground phone be on. So the must start to escalate. So by the time ndemo phone boom ndemo phone yas to no time. But try can pour can do help pour que la dimba fa. So maybe concentrate on the geofire can. So ama me do ngamoy ground explode. CCO du mobe borsa mobe jam fata buna sai so ne borsol kana ke geofy dimba kata teneno.
Ibrahima and his family are now staying in a single room offered by their neighbors. He is appealing for help as the fire claimed all their possessions.
Anyway independent sai ma ko ro asifa ngani le because ndam dimba ti already ding lule bembulu at this moment. So I have a place where I'm living with my my family, but still me single room at this moment. Mole je dinna ko stage for jani be setula. So aksekeno nyawanya I will need a place. I will need a room where I will be with my families. And na kaitol fana bo munna ko wolde mu yalon ka ben sulari mbakele. Santem follow na main important na main need moment tadla ko na problem molati. Because santem medam do is a single room. And it's very tight. I'm living there with my whole families, with my 5 kids. So they maros siva anyhow ndanga nidle. Ndo me kitio le fanang maybe nam bagaso do fanang bi janita ningo so do na electrical tool sol I can be able to help myself with those before anything. Ngol be nidle sinde.
Another victim, Nato Jallo, shared that she lost a substantial amount of valuables, including funds meant for her business. Like Ibrahima, Nato is also reaching out for public support.
Na fenjamala kasarata. Fenjamala bembulu. Nte fango susu muta. Wul tanko nonto ani lulu. Ani mfango kambeni mabo mammeni konti. Mawo kodo kalangolong. Baru wul tanko nonto ani lulu handala so maje. 18,000 nga waleje 13,000 ngo droneje okodo fanan kara kilingo be janitale nke matata ka falen banke bari ya do falen ni man do falen bari nke bante kasaratal dron because bagaso benna bungo kona siya batale korda warta do yata même bente bulu jam amantra mo bulo nke mala document sol bele beji ala korda nan kayto abi jeleto anina kambane bala university kaytol ala visalo be to nyen dimbale kon be dan ala kan kila kan nimbe de maro sotola ma koy roto dimba soto nola mbe dani rokela se bulo dum koto kato mbe damen to science ten taradula fo man tarambulo kono mbe siri molle fo ya.
Alkali Sonko, another victim of the fire incident, also shared his frustration and the level of destruction the fire did in his house.
Everything has burned to ashes. Nothing was recovered from the house. And including some of my personal clothes, property, even my wife, she's doing business. She lost all her money inside. And my younger brother, who's going to university also, lost all his documents. As I'm speaking, I also lost a lot of my things in my house. Even today, this dress, you can see, it was bought by my wife yesterday in the evening. I have nothing to wear. As I'm speaking to you, our life goes zero as I'm speaking to you. Even on that particular day, we don't have place to sleep. I will thank our neighbors, they contribute a lot. It's just a fire, they cannot contribute, but they contribute. Everybody do his quotas.
Alaji Dabo, also a victim, calls on the government of the Gambia and philanthropists to come to their aid.
Yes, namuso bramrabuloto, abulukumbala jang this area of the Baobé Fenkel. And don't fana auto, Gabra Fano Imbala. Well, anyway, in Tolbe Dabim to Assad now, you can see, as you can see, we lost, everything. Fentamul science center, So, Ninga Ata Mansakunda Samako, anyhow, I better balandola, and other people, what's a marco back, Cardon science, we don't have anything, Clothes, everything, foods, fentamul, virtually, we need help, seriously.
Amadou Bari, a shopkeeper in the compound, revealed that the fire destroyed nearly all of his shop's inventory, sparing only a few items.
Bagazo nyako afinita, poto nyako abugatia, le potoni, natra mofana jio fayakan. Aussi fale finita, dal ninfinita le poto aussi fa ninfinita afinita le dog jio yama. Aussi fale finita, mais ni tuta dalo beti nyatale.
So amunta ya bagasol be janita
la poto ni nyako abuka te woti fale tuta kom biambin poti meo sardino meo fanan dimba ya male aussi fale finita je meo dala buka na min tuta beti nyata because o time dal mo man time so ga dundi kono je.
The fire on that Friday ravaged the victims' possessions, including national identity cards, televisions, refrigerators, landed property documents, clothing, and numerous other items, reducing them to ashes. The affected families are appealing to both the government of the Gambia and private individuals for assistance as they struggle to find shelter and rebuild their lives. Reporting for Kerfato, I am Landin Cisse.